Good morning, everyone. I'll begin our presentation by introducing Skyways, a Y Combinator company pioneering urban air mobility. Their vision is simple and revolutionary to make on-demand air transportation as accessible and reliable as ground-based travel. Let's start with first component of the business model canvas, customer segments. Skyways primarily targets three categories: urban commuters and business executives, needs to travel across congested cities quickly and efficiently. These are time-sensitive travelers who value convenience over cost. City governments and municipalities who look for modern sustainability options to reduce road congestion and pollution. And finally, logistics and parcel delivery partners representing a potential B2B segment for transporting small, high-value cargo at unprecedented speeds. So Skyways is not only limited to personal mobility, it also caters to governments and enterprises that envision a more connected city ecosystem. Let's move on to value proposition, which defines why these customers choose Skyways. Skyways offers speed, reliability, and sustainability. It enables commuters to reach destinations in minutes instead of hours by bicycle traffic. It promises safety and comfort through certified pilot assisted or autonomous aerial operations. It contributes to environmental sustainability, especially with innovative flexible takeoff and landing aircraft that reduce emission and network congestion. In short, Skyways has value proposition pricing, giving people the time back to creating smarter cities and offering a cleaner alternative to road travel. Next, my teammate will explain how Skyways connect with its customer, bring its vision to life with channels and relationships.
Thank you. Now that we understand how Skyway serves and the value it delivers, let's look at how the company reaches customers, builds relationships, and generates revenue. Starting with the channels, the routes through which customers access the service. Skyways operates through a mobile platform and a web development firm that allows users to book flights, track aircraft, and make payments seamlessly. Integration with mobility aggregators, for example, city transport apps or multimodal trip planners that include Skyway flights as a part of the journey. Corporate sales and partnerships, offering subscription packages to companies for exclusive travel and for urgent deliveries, and collaboration with municipal bodies to operate designated utility boards and integrate air mobility into public transport planning. Next, customer relationships. Because aviation demands trust and reliability, Skyways focuses on personalized service for premium users, ensuring convenience and comfort, automating self-service through the app for everyday users, safety transparency, publishing flight to normalize air commuting. Now to the revenue streams. How Skyways runs income. The company follows a multi-source model. Pay per ride fares, where users pay per kilometer or per trip. Subscription plans that allow regular travelers with discounted rates and priority access. Corporate contracts for business travel packages. Government partnerships for urban transport solutions. And logistics or parcel transport fee, offering a second income channel. This diversifies structures and ensure stability even as the company scales and navigates regulatory challenges. Next, my colleague will discuss the operational backbone of Skyways, the key resources, activities, and partnerships that make this ambitious model possible.
Like Skyrim's success depends heavily on its resource, core operations, and strategic partnership, the three components that form the operational foundation of the business model canvas. Let's start with the key resources. Skyways relies highly on advanced aircraft technology, especially eVTOLs capable of vertical takeoff and landing within urban environments. Highly skilled engineering and aviation team, aerospace engineers, pilots, and safety experts. Property, navigation, fleet management, software ensuring safe routing, optimized scheduling. Vertiport infrastructure, the landing and charging stations spread across the centers. And most importantly, regulatory license and airspace approvals without which the model cannot operate legally. Moving to key activities, the everyday function that delivers value that are aircraft development certification, ensuring safety and compliance of aviation standards. Fleet operation and maintenance guaranteeing minimal downtime. Flight scheduling and traffic coordination supported by AI-based softwares. Continuous R&D, improving energy efficiency and predict demand patterns. Finally, the key partnership. Skyways operates in an ecosystem that demands collaboration, aviation authorities for certification and regulatory service. Local governments and asset owners for livelihood upwards, and component manufacturer and energy providers for hardware and charging infrastructure, technology partners for mapping AI and navigation systems, and investors or accelerators like Y Combinators provide funding and strategic guidance. Together, these resource activities partnership create a resilient operations structure that can sustain paid rapid growth while meeting the strict aviation standards. Our final speaker will wrap up by explaining the cost structure, summarizing the full business model, outlining the strategic implications. Thank you. The concept will discuss the cost structure followed by a summary of the full business model canvas. Operating in urban are where it is service needs always trigger significant upwards investment. The main categories include research and development, designing, testing, and certifying for towards technology, infrastructure and facilities, constructing charging station and artifacts production and maintenance, manufacturing inputs and ensuring safety compliance, human resources, salaries for cadets, engineers, safety officers, custom service staff, regular compliance and insurance, mandatory cost for legal operational safety, technology and practice development, maintaining the booking app, software and data systems, marketing partnership to promote awareness and secure collaboration. Given these costs, scale became vital. As the number of goods and artifacts grows, step cost can be spread across the right, reducing the cost per trip. Now, to summarize, Skyways complete business model canvas, customer segmentation, executive suppliers, and logistic frames. Value proposition, faster, cleaner, and reliable, and mm, channels, digital map, corporate partnership, government collaboration, custom relationship. Growth, trust, growth safety, personalized premium service, community engagement, revenue stream, fees, subscribes, corporate and government logistics. Key activities, operational, maintenance, software development, and certificates, cost structure, R&D, infrastructure, human capital, finance, and marketing. In essence, Skyway stands at the and regularity aiming to redefine how cities moves and transform wasted hours into traffic to productive minutes. In this guide, a powerful example in the woody water necessary. Thank you.